Hi, I'm Nick Williams.
And I'm Delaney George.
Welcome to 4-Minute Friday Fun, coming to you from ISC today.
Yeah.
So what are we learning about?
We are learning about ClassroomScreen, and then a little bit of time at the end, we're going to show you the new CAST website.
Excellent. So ClassroomScreen, what is it?
It is a tool that teachers can have up on their screen with a bunch of different tools embedded that they may need during the day.
It's a website?
It's a website.
So engaging, yes?
Yeah.
So if you think about UDL framework, representation, engaging, are there timers and things on there?
Yep.
Stoplights? So talking about like self-regulation, that's outstanding. All right, let's hear it.
Okay, so here we go. First off, you can select a language from all of these different languages. Actually, first off, you just go to ClassroomScreen.com, and then this is what comes up. You can select a language. Sorry, I need to hide this so that you can actually read all of it. You can choose a background. I'm not super big on tools, so I could go to background
Why not?
and choose a different one from here, or I can upload one. One of my favorite places to get them are these free pictures from Unsplash. They're photographers that give you access to their pictures for free.
That's beautiful.
So that's where I got this image from that we're going to use. Look how beautiful that is.
Oh, that's cool.
I know. So then you get into your tools. So you have a random name generator that is also a dice roll.
Oh,
so for
that's
the random
excellent.
name generator, you can upload a file and then you can save it so that you can always have your class there. And then you have a dice roll if you want a random number from 1, 2, or 3. And then any of these that have this yellow +1 button at the bottom mean that you can have 2 of them up at the same time since it's 2 different tools.
Excellent. So you could even put numbers on if you have all of your student numbers, if you don't want to put names up there.
Okay, next one is sound level. So you click start and you can move the sound level to where you think is appropriate and change the sensitivity. And then you can see that I haven't passed the sound level yet.
But if your students get loud,
it takes it past there.
Okay.
The next one, this is going to distract me, so I'm going to take it off of the screen with this little red X right here. The next one is really cool. It's a QR reader. So you can put a QR code up on your board, and whatever you type in right here is where it'll take your kids. So I'll do it's learning, hit enter, and it changes the QR code. You can make it bigger or smaller for your students to come up, use their Chromebook to scan. If you're a high school teacher, they could use their phones to scan, and it'll take them to whatever page you want them to go to. Same with the QR reader, you could have 2 up there. This one is a drawing and it's full page. So if you select the white or the black, it blacks out the screen. But if you select this one, you can have the background and it's kind of like a transparent that you can draw on the screen. Like click here. And this one is just a smaller version.
That's amazing.
Of the drawing. This one is text, exact same thing. Sorry, I have too many things up. Let me close out of these so that you can actually see what we're doing. So this is a text box. You have emojis, all kinds of stuff. You can copy and paste images into it. This one is just different symbols that you could put up for your students. Silence, whisper, ask a neighbor, work together. Traffic light, very cool. I read on a blog that one of the teachers uses this for her students. They have ClassroomScreen up on their computer, and as she's walking around, if they're stuck, they can do the red. If they're kind of getting it yellow, and if they're good to go, they have green up. Or a teacher could use it for voice level.
Or maybe even just them being on their device or a device. Green light would be okay. Red light would be put them away.
Yep. With your timer, you have a couple different options. You have your timer here that looks like this, and you have your timer with the little, Yep. Okay. We'll keep going. And then last but not least is the clock, and you can have the clock and the date up as well.
So you can leave that in the middle the whole time.
Wherever you want. It's a really cool tool with all kinds of stuff that you could use every day in your classroom.
So you could put your goals up there for the day. You could put homework reminders.
Absolutely.
That's amazing.
In the bottom corner, you can make it your full screen if that's all you want your students to see as well.
Excellent.
Yeah. Okay. And Nick, you want to show us
the
CAST website?
So cast.org this week launched their brand new kind of website for UDL. So Our Work UDL. And then if you scroll down here, it will go to visit the UDL guidelines. And this is the new website. So there's lots
very cool.
of great resources. It's all hyperlinked. Text Help actually made the entire website very accessible.
Awesome.
But just another great resource to have for your classroom.
Cool.
All right.
You have anything else, Nick?
Nope. Thanks for joining us.
Okay. Have a happy Friday.